Dryer sheets are commonly used as a homemade insect repellent despite limited scientific support for their effectiveness. People often place dryer sheets around doorways, windows, and in drawers to deter mosquitoes, flies, and ants, but the active fragrances in most sheets are not formulated or tested for pest control and provide, at best, a short-lived masking effect. If you choose to try dryer sheets as a supplemental measure, pick unscented ones to avoid attracting other pests, and place them in small, breathable pouches so fragrance does not overwhelm indoor air. Replace them every few days because volatile compounds dissipate quickly. For mosquitoes and biting flies, focus on reducing standing water, improving airflow with fans, and using proven topical repellents that contain ingredients with evidence, such as oil of lemon eucalyptus or picaridin, for personal protection. For crawling insects, use targeted baiting, proper sanitation, and caulking to close gaps rather than relying on scent barriers. Store food in sealed containers and keep counters dry to remove attractants. If you are trying to protect a specific item, such as linens, consider sealed containers with cedar or lavender sachets that have more sustained effect for fabric pests, and wash fabrics regularly at warm temperatures to remove eggs or larvae. When assessing any anecdotal method, run a simple test. Apply the dryer sheet method in one comparable area and leave another untreated, monitor for several days, and document changes so you can make evidence-based decisions. The most common mistake is assuming scent equals repellency, which leads to neglecting proven measures. So, do not rely on dryer sheets as a primary control and pair any scent approach with exclusion and sanitation. A second issue is infrequent replacement. People leave a sheet in place for weeks and expect continued effect, so change them every few days if you insist on using them, and consider timed trials to verify any benefit. Third, homeowners often use scented products indoors without considering sensitivities, which can aggravate allergies or respiratory conditions, so opt for minimal fragrance in living spaces and move scented items outside or to unoccupied storage areas. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and local service providers related to pest control and home maintenance, and we host a discussion community where people share experiences and tips about do-it-yourself methods like dryer sheets. We help contractors find work by giving them a place to present services and engage directly with neighbors seeking help.